Hey Shopify merchants, want to get your store ready for Independence Day? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add fun July 4th effects like fireworks, flag cursors, and bunting decorations using the Shopify app named Hura Snowfall Effect Plus. Let's make your storefront pop this 4th of July. If you haven't installed it yet, visit the Shopify App Store and search for Hura Snowfall Effect Plus. Click Install and follow the on-screen instructions. Hura Snowfall Effect Plus is a Shopify app designed to enhance your store for the holiday season. This app provides over 30 seasonal effects, such as rain, fireworks, snowfall, and meteor showers. Once the installation is complete, navigate to the app dashboard and upgrade to the Pro version. For the Independence Day festival, I recommend selecting a fireworks effect in the main effects section. Next, choose the Happy 4th of July decoration effect. You can also customize parameters for effects. You can change the mouse cursor shape on your website to a flag cursor for added uniqueness. Once you've selected your effects, click Save. Now, visit your storefront to see your July 4th decorations live. And that's it. Your Shopify store is now celebration ready for Independence Day.
I hope this video has been helpful to you. See you in the next videos. Goodbye.